Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Come here, Tiffy. Hi. These guys always know when there's someone special at the door. Hi, Pink Villa. Welcome to Roy Villa. These are the real celebrities of my house. Lolo, let me introduce each one of you all. This is Lolo, my cutest one, but brat in the house, who gets everyone on the toes. And the other one, the most lovely, caring, oh, that's and sensitive. So this is the madness. This is the madness. And she is the one who calms the madness in my house. What happened, Lolo? He just doesn't want to be down now. This is what I call him as a showstopper of my house. And that little one, come here, Tiffy. Come here, come here. She is the cutest. Come here. She's the cutest and the most adorable one, and my oldest one, but she looks the youngest amongst the lot. So these are my cute three little babies in the house. And yes, this house is more of their house than mine, pretty much. So now let me show you my mansion. Come. So this part of my house is something very special to me, where a lot of my time has gone behind. So this whole story behind this eyes was that I wanted to have something that's popping out and also lit. So I was unable to explain what I wanted. And then finally, I actually, one day I was crossing, while I was looking for some other things of the interior work, I was crossing and I ended up seeing a mirror shop. And that's when I got this idea. There were like different kinds of mirrors, designer mirrors. And I went there and I just showed him the picture. I said, can we achieve like an eye or on the mirror, and also it's lit from behind? And he's like, okay, ma'am, if you can draw and give us an idea. So I drew it and he somehow got it, and he showed me in a 3D image, and it turned out to be this. Even after I moved in, I ordered it, I wasn't sure, because it's a lot of hard work when the structure is made to get this on the right size and put it inside the structure. It was a task. We had like some 6 people fixing this and not so many people fixing the art. So it was a bit funny, but yeah, and finally it turned out to be a gorgeous piece. And today it's like the topic of my house, and this is like the center spot of my house and the center attraction of my house. So this is my art. And then coming back to now corners of my house, which is, let's start with my dining. So this is the place where I'm hardly home, but I'm a foodie. So most of my favorite spreads are put here. I love to eat. This is my spot where whenever there's food, whenever I want to chill with music on, this is the spot. And so the whole tabletop is an art again. This is something that I wanted to mix it with the laborers that who are doing this tabletop, and I asked them if they can achieve this color, this tone, and something very artistic. And this is something that they could create for me. and it's not from here. I've got it done, customized it from China, and I went there specially for this and a few furniture of my house, and which I have customized it according to the corners. Most of my pictures are taken here with my reflection because I have this imagination. This is an Inception mirror, which is the most gorgeous mirror in my living area. And it has a depth where you can literally see through. And it has just a beautiful, it's an art piece, come a reflection where you can really see yourself in depth. This is my cozy corner of my house. So whenever I decide, so there are like a set of people who I welcome in my house, and I do have my teas and coffees in this spot of my house. And this place is again a very last minute. How do I put it? A last minute decision space. Like this space was empty when I was doing up the house because my hall is too big, and I thought, why not have a nice coffee spot? We play games here. We play board games here. So this is one cozy spot where I chill with my friends, and there are many other spots in my house, but this is like to begin with, to start with. So now moving on to my main living area. So I always imagined that I wanted a huge chandelier under the living space. I think this is any girl's dream, that when she first thinks of a big living room, that I always want a sit out with a big chandelier and something I always wanted. And I imagine I got those kind of lights and the whole set of this living. Basically, this couch is also that I love. I love these colors. I love to try pop-up colors. So you see the center table, there's a story behind this. Like I have always, when I was shooting and all, I've always I've shot a lot in jungles, you know. So I was just thinking, you know, I used to see these nice tree wooden pieces lying around when I used to shoot and all. And I used to say, yeah, I wish I could take these blocks and do some furniture out of it. And I always used to feel that I need to do something like this and all. And the thought actually was created from there. And I wanted to have something, but my house is not, what do you say? It's not like the warm, good earth feel. So it has a lot of gold element, gold chandelier. So I wanted that shape in gold. So I had to catch hold of a person who's into like the fabricators who could do this for me, and I got it customized. I showed them the pictures of those blocks that I had taken on my shoot, and they made this shape. I wanted it something that's easily movable. I can use it anywhere I want to. So that's the whole concept of the center table, that it's in two piece. I can move around. I can do what I want to do, and yet feel new in the same house. Now, moving on to the other corner of my house, which is rarely used, but this is the place where the madness begins. So, usually, I love to host people. I love to host my friends. I love having friends home. So, this whole corner is dedicated to them, especially keeping them in mind. I have made this spot for them, and they're very happy. And I'm usually a very quirky person, and for which I've even also had these quotes for them. This is like an entertainment place, and before we move on to a actual entertainment place, there is another secret room in my living area, which is called the media room. This is the title that I've given to this room. So before we get in there, I would want to tell you that I wanted to separate these two places. Like I said some time back, that I do not like to have a television in a living area because it just kind of distracts people who are coming in, and people do not connect, people do not sit down and speak if there is a television at home. So there has to be a dedicated space for entertainment, and which is this room. So let's explore. So this is the so-called media room in my house. These are my awards, selected awards. The rest other awards, because I really don't have so much space. These are like the most special, prestigious awards for me. The last one that I got was this recently for beauty and brilliance in Indian cinema that I served for 20 years. So I was like, wow, I have actually been in this industry for 20 years. So this goes in the center. All these awards are very close to my heart. Just not close to my heart, but there has been hard work, a story behind it, a struggle behind it, and a success behind it. And after that, I have got this. So this is something that I also wanted to show you guys. This wall, I don't know if you guys can relate by just seeing it, but this is again all about my industry. From when my industry has started, it's all like cameras and radios and typewriters and music. Uh, the camera again, the phone, everything that you see, it's related to music, camera, it's related to all films from different eras. So I have selected this again, literally gone on a hunt to look for old molds where I could get something of the retro era and make something out of it and have that legacy on my wall. So I started, first I got this telephone, which was easy for me to find. I think it took me about a year to actually find all these molds from different places, and they were all in different colors. So I have literally painted them into an antique color, and I have given them a spot, a place, and I have done it everything with my hands. And this is a art piece, this is like an art wall, which is done by me. So coming to this, the reason I wanted this wall to be one straight wall, but then I wanted to have one secret room behind this wall, and that's what Door to Divine. This not many people know about me, that I'm a very spiritual person, and this is the puja room. So this place is the secret corner of my house. I call it Door to Divine. And not many people know about me that I'm very spiritual, and maybe some know who are actually following me for quite some time. I'm quite spiritual, and I do not like to flash it, because this is something for me, for my peace, and for my calmness, and for what I believe in. So this is what I wanted to show, and I think it's my first time that I'm actually revealing it to Pink Villa, that what's the side of me which not many people know, and that's this. So then, now I'm going to close this. I don't want to keep it open. So then, this couch has another story. This couch is, I don't know if it's looking that big on the camera, but this couch is literally like a 10 feet couch. So I wanted to have, I don't know, I just randomly wanted to have a long couch, a big couch where I just want it in my media room or home theater. But I didn't know whether it's going to fit, not fit. The best part was that I have got my couch customized. My sofa is ready. It has been shipped. It is here at the door, and it wasn't going through the door. And that was the biggest, funniest part. And we have struggled to get this couch in, but I had to spend equally 50% more amount to get this couch through the balcony, through the cranes, and enter this couch inside this room. So that's one part which I never thought. I should have been aware about it. Yeah, but then when you make mistakes, you learn through those experiences. And I think this was an experience for me to know that I first need to measure the place before I get any of the stuff inside. So this center table was meant for something else, but it fitted here because I wanted something like a trunk in media room, where it has a storage, it has a drawers, it has everything. and it blends well with my antique stuff around the wall, the couch, and everywhere around the wall. I have something exclusively for only Pink Villa, which I'll reveal in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm getting up for this. This is something that I have never done. This is something very personal, and I like to keep it personal. But only disclaimer, it's exclusively for Pink Villa, and I want to give a sneak peek into my wardrobe. Not my entire bedroom, because I want it to be personal for a personal reasons. This is the very beginning entrance of my room. Again, something that I love, something that I think I'm always high on, which is not alcohol, which is the coffee. This is usually everybody has a place in their house, and where they keep their coffee machine talks a lot about them. So you should know that if it's in my room, I am a coffee lover. I think most of them know about it, and this is something that I wake up to. I even sleep with it because coffee, I do not I do not stay awake with coffee. I think coffee is something, it just kind of brings life in me, and I enjoy it. So this is something that I begin my day with. I start everything from here. So it's in my room, and I have varieties of pods. Right now it needs to be filled. There are different strengths, and this is where I start my day. These are my personalized cups. There's a mini bar in my room, which is here. And of course, there's TV here. Come on, this side. This is the space where I think most of the celebrities and actors spend their time um, of the day, getting ready, getting dolled up. This is the space. And this is something that I always wanted to have dreamt of, that I would want to have a great dressing area, a great space, great organizers, drawers. So this is where I think more than sleeping, I think I spend my time looking at myself, getting ready, discussing my looks, discussing uh, what look that I'm supposed to make for these events or the shoots. My whole team works here. So, guys, this is the walking wardrobe of mine, which every girl dreams to have. So, come in. So, guys, this is my dream place. This is the place that I have always dreamt of. And finally, I'm here, standing here and talking about it. Which girl doesn't want to have this dream walking wardrobe? And what you see here are the rare collections of my favorite bags, which I've put it on display. I'm a huge collector of bags. This bag is a very rare bag, which is from LV, Louis Vuitton, and it's one of my most expensive bags. I have a story behind it. I've literally been behind this for 6 years to have this. This is classic, which you all know, Bottega, and this is my recent pick. Something that I wanted in a rectangular shape, and I love this color, burgundy. So this is something that I have used recently a lot, and this is again a customized piece. I got this bag. I like this color. It's from Goyard, and like you see, I have a lot of Goyard collections. I think I love Goyard brand, and I love the collections. The Especially why I like Goyard is they customize the way you want to, and what you see, LR is my initial. And I have many other brands, many other collections. I have Chanel. This I've used a lot. I'm a person who loves tiny bags, who loves sling bags. I also like tote bags. So I don't know what I actually like. I like everything. So, guys, this is it for now. Let me know, do comment down and let me know if you're excited and if you really, really want to see my walk in wardrobe. I will think for the next video. And with this thought, I'm going to leave you guys here and let's move on to the next. So, this is my beautiful modern kitchen. I welcome you to. This whole concept, I always wanted to actually have a French touch with a little island in the middle. The look of the kitchen, be it the style, it's very French. The color is very modern, Western color. So I like this. The whole kitchen, the way it's turned out, even the floorings, I've had the little de-stress flooring. And I thought I'll give a little color to it. I'll give a little life to the kitchen rather than, even though I don't spend my time here, I always wanted my kitchen to look beautiful the way my other part of my house looks. So this is it here, and let's move to my most favorite chill place of my house. And welcome to my picture perfect spot in my house. This is where most of my pretty pictures, videos, everything is shot. And this is where I chill the most with my friends and hang out here, hide out here during the most beautiful time, which is sunset. Well, this was all about Rivilla. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of my beautiful home. And do let me know down in the comments which was your favorite spot of my house. And thank you, Pink Villa, for making this as a wonderful experience. Lots of love. Mwah.